Hi everybody, I'm Melissa from Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners, and today I have arrived in Cancun, Mexico. Right now I am at El Dorado Royale Resort. It's beautiful here. This is my balcony. Pretty butterfly over there, sorry I got distracted. This is my balcony, my private balcony for my room, and you can see behind me here is the main pool area. It's lush, it's green, it's tropical, it's all inclusive, it's adults only, and it's lots of fun. And as I like to do when I take you along with me on all of my adventures, I want to give you a room tour of my room. So stick around for a room tour of my room, and I will also be posting lots of content on this resort as well as many others I'll be exploring while I'm here in Cancun. So stick around. Thank you for joining me. Alright, I'm back. Since we are already on the balcony, we are going to start our tour on the balcony here. If you look out here, you can see the really beautiful pool area, lots of greenery, and our balcony is really a nice size as well. There are two nice comfortable lounge chairs and a table for your food and drinks. They do have room service here, complimentary room service 24 hours a day. Nice big sliding doors. I'm going to give you a look around here. It's so tropical and lush and pretty. It's a little bit rainy. It's that season in the fall, that time of year. Let's go in and take a look around the room. Here we are. It's a really nice room. Very big, very spacious, I'm noticing right away. Bear with me here for a minute. I don't have my regular room tour helper like I do in Walt Disney World because this is an adults only resort. All right, this is the bedroom. Look at that bed. Nice big king size bed. It's so bright and pretty, and I like the artwork. We have two remotes here, a TV remote and an air conditioner remote, and you can see a phone and obviously a notepad and pen. But this air conditioner remote goes to the air conditioner. Let me show it to you. And there's the bathroom, but right there. There's the air conditioner for the room, and that's what that remote goes to. And in here we just have in the nightstands. There's one on each side of the bed and just empty drawers and empty cabinets. You can't see in there, but there's nothing in there. But phone, just nice classy decorations, really nice finishes and tops here. Pillows, a mirror here. Look at the nice long table here. I kind of like that mirror here. Sometimes I like to get ready out here in the open and where the TV is on and I can kind of see what's going on instead of being stuffed behind a sink. I like to put a little makeup on. Not that I'm not really a big makeup person, and I'm just not good at it. Probably some of you could show me a few tips. Another end table there. And just traditional kind of Mexican Mayan decor. Here we have a table for two. I've already drug in my luggage here. And there's two chairs. And again, I like these surfaces here. Really, really nice. Simple decorations, kind of some Mayan artwork. And when you get here, they give you a little packet here a folder. I've already taken everything out, but there's a map of the resort that goes in the folder here. And these are the keys to the room. So you have the room keys in this folder and a map of the resort area. I'll open it up so you guys can kind of see it if you're just curious. It shows you the restaurants and what's available, the times, all of that kind of information. And here's a map of the resort. You can see all the markings I've made over here on this side. This is El Dorado Royale, and then you have El Dorado Casitas, and then you'll have Generations over here. And I won't go into all the details and the differences, but we're here in El Dorado Royale. You can visit the other of the two resorts as well, and I will be visiting those and many others while I'm here. All right, so this is the room's really big. It's spacious. There's lots of room in here, lots of space. Oh, and in this long bar here, you do have your mini bar. These drawers are just empty, just open drawers you can put things in. But you have a nice stocked mini bar here. Too bad this resort is adults only. Charisma does have resorts for families as well, and they're amazing. This resort, though, is adults only. My kids would love to be able to dig into the mini bar and not be told no because they have to pay for it. It's all included. You have sweetener and sugar and coffee mate and tea and glasses and coffee cups. You can't see it very well. The coffee maker is back here. There's an ice bucket and some tongs and some coffee here. There's a little dark under there. I apologize. But hey, if you have questions and you want to book a trip, call me and ask me questions by all means. Here's the little mini fridge. A couple bottles of water and some beer. I'm not a big beer drinker. I will go for some frou-frou drinks later though. Some snacks. And they will restock this. And some soda. It's all right here for you. Hit the pool, come back, and while you're showering, you have something nice and cold to drink. You can order room service. Anything you like. All right. Now we saw that, let's go on over to the bathroom. Oh, on the way to the bathroom, let's check out these closets. This hall closet. Oh, it's nice and big. Oh, and look at that. When you open this door, the inside door, the lights come on. Very cool. Kind of eco-friendly, so that way the lights are not on when you don't need them on. Hangers and a robe and luggage racks. An iron and an ironing board. Shelf up there. Oh, look. It's kind of hiding. Let me see if that is what I think. Yes, look guys. An umbrella. I don't have my helper here to help me, so I'm trying to do this on my own, so I appreciate your patience, but an umbrella, which is really handy here because we are in a tropical environment. It is not uncommon for it to rain in the afternoons especially. And so there's an umbrella right there for you in the room. Very cool. Plenty of room here. Let's turn on the lights by opening the door. Again, lots of hangers and a robe. And look at those slippers. Oh my goodness. Those are totally adorable. I'll be slipping into those later. And a safe. Just a standard safe here. So let's close the closet now. I might have hang some things up later, some of my nice clothes for dinners. And let's go around the corner into the bathroom. The doors kind of push either way here. Oh, and that turned on the light in the shower. And and opening that door. The lights seem to be kind of motion sensors on a lot of levels. Look at this beautiful vanity. It's so cool. This is really the style here, these sinks that are on top of the vanities, and they're on each side there's a glass that's wrapped in a bottle of water. There's a lot of water pressure there. That's nice. Kleenex, washcloths, and this plant is real. I have to check that out. Makeup mirror there. Toiletries. I had to break into these earlier. I was curious what they were, but you have hand soap and lotion, shoe pads, a shower cap, and this here. Okay, so there are a few Q-tips, some makeup wipes, and an emery board, a fingernail file in here. I'm kind of ashamed. I should have had this put back together, but I was nosing around here before my lunch earlier, which was lovely, by the way. I had octopus tacos. I liked the lemon dessert, and I liked the pizza, and I liked the Greek salad. It's kind of like a cruise. You can order a lot of different dishes of whatever you want. And here we go. Here's the really nice jacuzzi tub. And there's towels there on the edge, and you can see from this tub all the way out into the bedroom and out through the patio doors to the pool area, out onto the balcony. So it's not enclosed. But let's check it out even more. I'm gonna climb in. And we've got, that's cool, there's some bubble bath there. And I'm gonna lay down here or sit down and see how big it is. Look, my feet don't even reach the end. And as you guys know, I'm not a tall person, for those of you who've seen my other videos. There's plenty of room for me here. Hello. To sit here and relax. There's plenty of room for two in this tub. We could enjoy it together. Now let's see if I can climb back out. All right. This is the bathroom here, toilet closet. And they have a window here that does open. And spare roll of toilet paper. And this door that closes in this toilet closet is just kind of a frosted door. It can swing either way too, look. Let's see, can you see that? Now it's swung out toward the sink. Oh, and it's closing on its own. Okay. But it's open kind of at the top and the bottom and just on hinges that swing either way. The shower is the same. You can see there's a bath mat outside the shower there and a really nice rain head. I like that nice rain head shower. That looks really neat. And here's the toiletries here in the shower, shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. And there's a spot if you want to bring your own. You can put your own things, maybe your razor right there. Towels in the shower here. And you all know what this is. This string right here pulls across here and hooks over here on the other side. So you can hang your wet swimwear up so that it drips right there in the shower instead of making a mess in your room. But I'll back up so you guys can see better. The shower area and the toilet closet here. All right. I'll turn around here so you guys can get a good view. Look at the lights. Those are cute. Adorable lights that are above the vanity there. They're really nice and bright, actually. I'm surprised. I think now you've seen our suite here at El Dorado Royale Resort. If you want to book an all-inclusive vacation to Cancun or Jamaica or anywhere else and stay in one of these lovely charisma resorts, and there are many of them, I am always here to help you at no additional cost. Go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so you'll get notifications when I post videos of our most recent adventures. And look me up, I'd love to talk to you about your next vacation.